So I think one of the biggest challenges we face is having customers come to us with traditional manufacturing, meaning injection molded parts that they're looking to 3D. And I think the biggest problem or challenge that we face is they're not utilizing the solutions like they were meant to be. A lot of the designs that come to us in AM or rapid prototyping is meant for injection molding, meaning they're solid parts. Where AM, you could have that same part and you could put a honeycomb through it or a meshing system through it that will give it the same stability and strength, sometimes even greater than the current design as a solid, and also get lightweighting out of it. So I don't believe that the engineering up front, the mentality is there yet. We're seeing significant signs of it improving, but I think having that knowledge and that team from the design perspective more involved in manufacturing will help everything.